here's something that is very, very weird that I thought. Pixels is considered a box office flop. It's not considered a box office flop by the actual site that tracks box office flops, but by Wikipedia, it's considered a box office flop. But there are many movies that get tax cuts over time. Shazam got them, Alita got them, and yes, Pixels got it. So the original budget was 129 million, but the movie, just like Shazam and Alita, was the two other examples of movies that got tax cuts. The budgets were reduced by millions of dollars. Pixels was cut by like $40 million. That's actually pretty big for a movie like Pixels. This movie was a massive blockbuster type movie, and I can see why they never made a sequel to it because it just would cut. They don't want to have because the critics would probably just give a 0 out of 10 every single time because Adam Sandler's in it. But yep, we'll be going over the budget here. So the original budget was 88 million, which is again. So we're gonna be doing a calculator. The here 88. So times 2, which is minus 244 was the box office. It means the movie gained $68 million. It says minus 68, but $68 million. So yes. Minus 174. 88 times, oh yeah, let's do it again. 88 times 2 so I can get the exact result. 1224 minus 176 equals $68 million. So yes. So that means this movie gained $68 million where they used the $88 million budget, which means that is the movie that gained that much money. That is, of course, excluding Blu-ray and DVD sales, and VOD and digital sales. So yes, now I'll be going over the here. So let's do the original budget. So the original budget for Pixels was around $120 million. So that's divided by 100. So 124. Let's just assume the marketing cost was still around the same. So the marketing cost for Pixels was around like 80. So that means the movie's still, but again, yeah, that's. But let's just assume that Pixels' marketing was still around like $100 million. So that's plus $100 million, plus $120 million because that was the original budget. So that means that and of course also other costs. So it means the movie was still made for $40 million. So yes, Pixels did not flop. Goodbye.